Today we're going to be checking the garbage disposal. It has a problem, it doesn't work. So the first thing that we're going to check is the power. We're going to hit the switch over here. Nothing happening. So we're going to check the power inside. If you see, you have it was disconnected. But we're going to check it again. I know it's not working because we did it before, okay? So what you want to do is hit the switch again. I'm going to hit the switch again because since it was off, okay, it's not working. We're going to disconnect it, and in Home Depot they sell this and we'll let you know if it has power or not. So you unplug it from the wall, you connect it, okay, and then hit the switch. So I'm gonna leave it here and just turn on the switch, okay? So you can look at it. So that means if you see the lights went on, so that means we got power there. Now what we're gonna check is there's a switch over here, a tripping switch. You have to push it in to see if it works. So we're gonna disconnect it here. I already hit the switch. Plug it in and see if it works. I'm gonna turn it on just to check. Okay, so we got power. So what I'm gonna do is, that's it. The only thing that we had to do was to reset the switch and the extractor worked. Okay.